All right, so quickly today I'll be showing you how you can download your video from your Facebook or TikTok or Instagram or any of your social platform. Now this method is the fastest as far as I'm concerned. Most people, if they want to download videos or reels from Facebook, they use screen recording. So instead of using screen recording, we have another fastest way in which you can use. Or instead of using app, you download one app and you copy the URL and now go and paste it and start loading. No, there's the fastest way in which you can use to download your video or your reels from any of these social platforms. So today I'll be showing you. Please, if you find this video interesting after watching or now, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and you can drop your comments. Thank you so much. And if you feel like giving super thanks, please you can go ahead. Thank you. So quickly, let me show you how you can download your video from any of these social platforms. And I'm going to be using Facebook and TikTok. Okay, and you can try with other social platforms. This work perfectly. All right, so without much ado, let's dive in. Let me show you how you can download your video from this social platform. All right, let's go. Don't forget to subscribe and you can drop your super thanks. Thanks. Let's go. All right, so let's start with Facebook now. So you open your Facebook. You can do it for reels or for your video. So here is a reels now. All right, so any reels you want to use, I'm using this now as example. All right, so you copy the URL. Let's copy the link or the link of the video. So you see one three button, you click it, and then you see copy link. So you copy the link. Now the link is copied. So you can copy the link in different way, or you can go to share. And when you go to share, you scroll, you see copy link. So anyhow you choose to, just get the link, copy it. Now once it's copied, we'll now go to our website that we're going to use to download the video. And this website is free, it's fast, and it comes without watermark. It's so lovely, you will enjoy using it. All right, so the name of the website is Fast Video Saver. All right, fastvideosaver.com. If you want me to send the name or the website directly to you, just comment it on the comment section. All right, so you copy and paste it in that search bar. You copy the link and you paste it under the Fast Video Saver. You see the search bar, you copy and paste it there, and now it will bring out two options, whether it should be in HD or SD, higher definition or standard definition. All right, the higher definition is much better because it maintains the quality. It maintains the quality of the video. So you click on download and boom, your video is here. You can see that your video, you click on download and your video will be downloading. Now please don't forget, if you've not subscribed, please hit on the subscription button. You can like the video as well and share it with friends. You can see the video is downloading, and this come out so neat. This come out without watermark. You can try it with TikTok, Instagram, and probably YouTube. Let me know how it works for you. Let's listen to the video. This is so nice. Let's maintain the quality. All right, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and you can drop your super thanks. Bye.